Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to enable apps on Android. To enable apps easily, you can use the built in Settings app on your phone. And here are the clear steps to enable apps on Android. First, unlock your mobile phone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Apps or Apps and Notifications. Tap See All Apps if the list doesn't appear right away. Scroll through the app list to find the app you want to enable. Tap the app name to open the app info. Look for the Enable button, then tap Enable. If prompted, tap OK or Confirm, and wait a few seconds for the app to be reactivated. Now, go back to the home screen or app drawer. Check if the app icon appears again. Open the app to make sure it works properly. Restart your phone if the app doesn't enable immediately. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.